Now we are going to display on OK lost situation to add key with the LKE emulator that we have been generated as an emergency key. Okay, make sure good network connection. Switch ignition on. Turn ignition off and turn on the two flashing lights. Choose the first one. Continue. Now choose the file that we have been backed up. Okay, now count of the registered keys 2. Count of the registerable keys 5. Okay. Here is a very important notice. Once you click OK, you have to make sure within 30 seconds you finish step 1 and 2. Step 1 will be you put the emulator, the emergency key, close the ignition switch with 1 beep. Then you choose the key to be added close to the ignition switch with 2 beep within 30 seconds. Okay. Okay. Now we wait the program to finish. Okay, operation completed. Now count of the registered keys 3 and the registerable keys 4. Switch ignition on. Okay, place the programmed key close to the start button and beep once. Okay? Program complete. Now let's check if the key is working well. Turn ignition on. Successful. Okay, remote worked well. Okay, perfect.